Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay guys, today we will presenting about discourse analysis and phonology. Okay guys, before we start presenting the material, I will introduce our members of groups. The first is Raih Titanabi, and then Muhammad Cahyadi, and then Firgiawan Al-Haq, and then M. Fahri Al-Aziz, and the last is Muhammad Hanif. Okay, first is introduction. Briefly define discourse analysis, focusing on studying language use in context, and phonology, investigating the sound system of a language. Introduce the concept of prosody, elements like stress, pitch, and intonation, which influence meaning beyond individual words. Okay, the next slide will be presented by Raih Titanabi.
Okay, so the next slide is how phonology affects discourse. Okay, there's three things. The first one is stress. Stress is highlighting specific words or phrases through stress can convey emphasis, contrast, or irony. For example, is here, I did see him yesterday versus I did see him yesterday. Okay, and then the second one is intonation. Intonation is raising intonation that indicate a question. The example here is you're coming, while falling intonation signals a statement, you're coming. Pitch variation can also convey emotion like excitement or sarcasm. Okay, and the last is rhythm and timing. Pauses and silence can create tensions or anticipation within a discourse. Okay, next slide will be presented by Cahyadi.
Okay, thank you Mas Adi. And the next slide is example in action. An example in action here, analyze a short speech clip. Example, political address, news report, to identify how phonological elements contribute to meaning. And example is how does stress highlight key point. And the last is how does intonation convey the speaker attitude. Okay, the next slide will be presented by Firgiawan Al-Haq.
Okay, the next is application. Understanding phonology in a discourse is valuable for like second language learners to improve the pronunciation and fluency. The second is public speakers to enhance their delivery and the impact. And the last is linguists to analyze various communication styles and social contexts. And the next slide will be presented by Muhammad Fahri Al-Aziz.
Okay, the last one is conclusion. Phonology is not just about individual sounds, but plays a crucial role in shaping meaning within spoken discourse. And then, by understanding this connection, we can become more effective communicators and interpreters of language. Okay, this is our citation. You can read in here by Mr. Cartesis Black and then Lover Street.
Okay guys, that's all for our presentation. If there any mistake, I'm so sorry. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.